Don't provide your closing disclosure too early. Don't think that just because you have access to issuing a revised disclosure that you can just pencil whip something out the door to get it out the door and then you'll just be able to close on time. No, you still need to use all of the due diligence time frame. I think a picture here is going to do us wonders on this. So imagine, if you will, this is a 3-week time frame, no holidays. We're planning to close on the 3rd week Wednesday. Well, what that tells us is that the latest our CD can go out, our closing disclosure, okay, with the mailing time frame is the 2nd week Wednesday. Notice we drop it in the mail Wednesday, 3-day mailbox rule, then we close on the 3rd day. After that, we don't count Sunday. So that means that up to the 2nd week Wednesday, that's our TRID CD due diligence zone. That's when we need to be reaching out to these third parties, trying to nail down actual fees. If we get to that green Wednesday, green labeled Wednesday, a 2nd week, and we're missing something from a third party, what this rule says is as long as we attempted to reach out, okay, and they aren't returning our calls, they're being a pain in the butt, we can guess. Now, we'll probably have to redisclose, but we can guess. If we issue any earlier than the 2nd week Wednesday and guess, we didn't use up our full TRID due diligence time frame, and therefore the third party still could have had time to get us information, but we jumped the gun. And so that's where, if we deliver on Tuesday of the 1st week, knowing full well we don't have everything, just thinking we can redisclose later, that's not okay. And that's the caution that they're throwing out here in letter C.